This place is so dope. Alright, good morning ladies and gentlemen. I just packed up my car. I have to grab one more thing in the house and then I'm going to be on my way. I am headed to my mom's to pick up two of my siblings and then we are off to the Keys. We are going to stay at one of the northern Keys for a few days for one of my sister's birthday. So yeah. I'm very excited because it's going to be a lot of outdoor, aquatic type stuff, adventure type stuff, fishing, snorkeling, so I cannot wait. And I'm going to take you guys with me. Alright, so I just got to my mom's house. I'm going to go inside, say hi. See the pets, and then probably head out pretty soon. 57. Thank you. Chloe's driving me.
What was that song you just sang there?
I don't know. She's being a nice sister and letting me have a break from driving. Rocco's in the back. Just got some Dunkin'.
Y'all get into it. Yeah, get into it. Yeah.
I'm not cutting that part out.
You don't have to.
So yeah, we've got like 4 hours of driving ahead of us, but
I'm so excited.
excited. We're gonna get a tan on. We made it! Happy birthday!
Oh my god, that's scary.
Woo. Yo. Okay. Can't get drunk and do that.
It looks way bigger than it did in the pictures. Holy crap.
Right.
She's so cute. Sexy. I love that show back though. I grew it myself. The captain's quarters. What do they call the kitchen in the kitchen? The ghost kitchen? It's called something.
Whoa. It's like moving a little bit.
Oh yeah, we sweat.
Ooh, shit. So I've just been hanging out. I went to the store earlier, got some snacks, drinks, water, stocked up on the essentials. I've just been hanging out, bidding on my schedule for next month because that's really important. I can't forget to do that. Hopefully I can finish that tonight since it's the first night here. It's kind of chill. I can get that done and then I can relax the rest of the time here. It's gonna be so much fun and it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Very, very hot. I'm so excited to be here and I can't wait. We're about to go get dinner now. Good morning. I'm just about to finish eating my breakfast. I woke up kind of late this morning. I was really tired last night and I like passed out. Everyone went to go get breakfast somewhere because at the grocery store I bought some oatmeal and fruit and I was like, that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast while I'm here. Probably go out one of the mornings, but yeah, I was like, I'm still eating. I didn't know that that was the plan. I was told something else as the plan. I'm not sure what the plan is for when they get back, but I assume we'll go out on the boat. It is Justin's boat, my sister's boyfriend. Probably cruise around for a little bit, maybe do some fishing, go find an island, something like that. Go snorkeling. So I'm just chilling here by myself. Okay, so I am going to get dressed and I'm gonna go head to the coffee shop that's across the street. I'm gonna get myself a coffee, come back here, work more on the computer and just wait for them to come back. So I will see you guys in a few minutes. I'm also gonna check their location to see where they are and see if they're still there. Because I know if I'm not back at the house when they get there, they're gonna complain. Okay, moment of truth. As I always say, I didn't want to film myself in there trying the coffee. I felt kind of weird. And like people were already staring because of the camera, whatever. I still took video of inside, but I was like, I'll do my little reaction that I always do in the car. Ooh, yes. Oh, yes. That is so good. I swear, man, it's the little things in life that make you really happy. And for me, it's coffee, especially iced mochas that taste delicious. Prime. Oof. Top tier. All right, back to the houseboat. Right, back at the Airbnb, houseboat, whatever you want to call it. Definitely feeling a little more awake now. My mocha is amazing. We are getting ready to go out on the boat and I am very excited. Also, check out the new hat. You can like button it up. I feel like I'm rocking Steve Irwin vibes. Crikey. But it's super cute and it's gonna protect me from the sun, and it was only $11 on Amazon, so. We are back at the houseboat now. That was so much fun. It was awesome. Did a little bit of snorkeling. Didn't see anything up close while we were snorkeling, but we did see some manta rays in the distance, which was kind of cool. This is where Chloe and I are staying. Sup, fam? And she's back. I got me some Foster Grants. Check it. Polarized and everything. Got a nice little pouch to carry them in. I'm set. I just need a sun shirt, but I don't really know where to get those. I got these at CVS. I just took a nice shower. I'm all clean. It feels awesome. I honestly don't know where everyone went, but I know we're going to be grilling soon for dinner, and then I think we're going to go head out on the boat again for sunset. It should be very, very nice. We're facing west, so we get to see the sunset every night, which is really cool. Yeah, I don't know where everyone went though, like legit. Oh well. Also, last night I didn't really film much. We just went to dinner and then came back here, and I mean, by then it was dark. We hung out over by the little bar area at this marina. I got a beer and we walked around because it was really nice out, and yeah, just hung out, enjoyed the company and whatnot. We just got back here and I went right to bed. I passed out. I was so tired because the night before I didn't really sleep that much, and I slept a lot last night.